grew up with the Anderson Hicks Group, and we just want to wish you and your family a Merry Christmas this year.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Fröhliche Weihnachten! Or do you want me to say it in English?
Sure.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Feliz Navidad!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hey there, it's Sean Anderson and Mike Hicks from the Anderson Hicks Group, and we just wanted to express our gratitude to all of our amazing clients for an incredible 2025.
It was really a great year. It was because of you. So thank you and ho ho ho.
Merry Christmas.